Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Cosmopolitan's development began with an ambitious vision in the mid-2000s. The original concept was created by developer Ian Bruce Eichner, who purchased the land in 2004 with plans for a high-rise luxury condominium project. At the time, the Las Vegas Strip was undergoing a surge of large upscale developments, and the Cosmopolitan was intended to join that wave with residential towers overlooking the Central Strip. Construction began in 2007, but the financial crisis that followed dramatically impacted the project. The cost of development escalated, and the original financing collapsed midway through construction. As a result, the property entered foreclosure, and in 2008 it was taken over by Deutsche Bank, one of the few major strip resorts ever to be completed and opened by a financial institution rather than a traditional casino operator. During this transition, the design shifted from a condominium-heavy project to a full-scale luxury hotel casino. The bank invested additional funds to complete the towers and reposition the property as a modern lifestyle-driven resort. The Cosmopolitan officially opened in December 2010, at the time becoming one of the most expensive resorts ever built in the Strip. From the start, the resort aimed to differentiate itself from the themed hotels by embracing a modern urban aesthetic. Instead of replicating world landmarks or historical architecture, the Cosmopolitan positioned itself as a stylish, youthful, and contemporary. Its marketing also stood apart using bold, artistic campaigns that focused on personality rather than spectacle. In 2014, the Blackstone Group purchased the property, initiating another phase of development and upgrades. Under Blackstone's ownership, the Cosmopolitan continued redefining its reputation for innovative dining, modern nightlife, and immersive art installations. The resort became known as a regular stop for high-profile performers and DJ-driven entertainment. In 2022, ownership transferred again, this time to a partnership including MGM Resorts International, which now operates the property. Despite these changes, the Cosmopolitan's identity has remained consistent, a modern luxury resort known for design, creativity, and a contemporary take on the Las Vegas experience.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.